Mataas ang tiwala ni Barangay Ginebra San Miguel head coach Tim Cone na magagawang puna ng bago nilang reinforcement na si Tony Bishop ang iiwan ng responsibilidad ng kanilang resident import na si Justin Brownlee. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel ng PTV Sports.
Ngayong 2023 to 2024 PBA Commissioner's Cup, mag-iiba ang forma ng defending champion Barangay Ginebra San Miguel Gin Kings. Yan ay dahil sa unang pagkakataon mula taong 2016, hindi si Justin Brownlee ang magsisilbing import ng koponan. Si Tony Bishop na dating naglaro para sa Meralco Bolts ang hahalili sa naturalized Pinoy Cager habang naghihintay ito ng hatol mula sa International Testing Agency. Paglalahad ni Coach Tim Cone, nakitaan niya ng magandang progreso si Bishop sa unang practice nito kasama ang bago niyang koponan.
It was great. Tony was awesome in the first practice. Again, you know, there was no surprises because we know him really well. Christian had to guard him basically one-on-one that whole series.
Samantala, tumanggi munang magbigay ng pahayag si Cone ukol sa status ni Brownlee.
I'm not involved in that process of talking to the SPP and talking to obviously FIBA or WADA or whoever we have to talk to. That's not part of my roles.
Masusubukan ang husay ng dating NBA D-League star na si Bishop pag nakatapat ng Gin Kings ang Converge Fiber Xers sa kanilang season opener sa November 17 sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Bayan.